Is a spherical sector part of a sphere's geometry? Have you ever wondered how different shapes fit together in the world of geometry? Today, we are focusing on a fascinating question. Is a spherical sector part of a sphere's geometry? Let's break it down together. A sphere is a perfectly round, three-dimensional shape. Every point on its surface is the same distance from its center. Now, within this sphere, we can find a spherical sector. Think of it as a slice or wedge of the sphere. This slice is defined by a cone whose tip is at the center of the sphere, and its base lies on the sphere's surface. To visualize this, imagine taking a sector of a circle and rotating it around an axis that goes through the center of that circle. This action creates a solid shape that includes part of the sphere's surface and volume. The spherical sector consists of two main parts: a spherical cap and the cone that connects the center of the sphere to the base of that cap. The spherical cap is the curved cap that sits on the sphere's surface, while the cone extends from the center of the sphere to the edge of that cap. This makes the spherical sector a three-dimensional version of a two-dimensional sector of a circle, which we often refer to as a pie slice. Now let's talk about some key properties of the spherical sector. It is bounded by a curved surface known as a spherical zone, which is part of the sphere's surface. Additionally, it may have one or two conical surfaces. If it has only one conical surface, we often call it a spherical cone. When it comes to volume, the spherical sector's size depends on the radius of the sphere and the height of the spherical cap. You can calculate the volume by taking 1/3 of the product of the cap's surface area and the sphere's radius. The total surface area of a spherical sector includes the area of the spherical zone plus the lateral areas of the cones that bound it. Understanding these measurements is essential in various fields such as physics, engineering, and computer graphics. So, to answer the question directly, yes, a spherical sector is indeed part of a sphere's geometry. It represents a well-defined portion of the sphere, bounded by a cone from the center and the surface of the sphere. This concept is not only interesting but also helps us calculate volumes and areas related to spherical shapes.